Hey there folks, my name is Kurn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to let you know that I have finally figured out how engineering works, and it is nowhere as near as bad as I thought it was. Alright, so when you start learning engineering here in Khaz Algar, you talk to the trainer, you basically learn pilfer through parts, the goggles, and a couple of other things, and that's it. That's it. And everything else you learn through invent. Or so I thought. That's not actually the case. First of all, you can pilfer through parts, like if I had a whole bunch of gears or what have you, um, and look through them looking for scrap. And when you have 5 scraps, what's it called actually? Piles of rusted scrap, then you can look through there and see if you can find anything useful. So let's do that. Let's scour. So it's this crappy gray thing, the clogged webbing fabricator. I don't need that. Do you need that? Scour again. Over gyrated gear. Don't need that either. So you can see why I was like, well, what the hell is this for? Because I could not find anything useful. Another clogged webbing fabricator. Fourth try, ooh, a handful of bolts. Super handy, like I can't make that myself. Fifth try, a ground gear. Sixth try, a warped shock absorber. And the last try, sprung whirligig. So you may understand why I was confused as to how to actually learn anything in this game. Well, unfortunately, nothing procced. When you discover a prototype that'll show up in your crafting results, you can then click on disassemble invention, and then put it in there, and then create. And then it'll give you some crappy maths and stuff, but it'll also give you hastily scrawled notes. And when you have 15 of them, I only have 12 at the moment, when you have 15 of them, then they turn into, I think it's like organized notes or something like that. And then when you use that, then you have 3 choices that show up on your screen. And that is how you learn things that you don't learn through the invent skill. Let's see if I can demonstrate this. Just a moment. Alright, so I came down here to the rigging deeps to kill some of these malfunctioning rail bots. And when you salvage them as an engineer, you get piles of rusted scrap. And so after killing like 15 of the damn things, I now have a prototype potion bomb of speed. Now, what I can do is go back to the home city and pop that in there. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I am back at the engineering, or rather the Tinker's workbench here in Dornegal. And I am now going to disassemble the prototype that I discovered. And that gave me 4 hastily scrawled notes and 20 piles of rusted scrap. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these hastily scrawled notes and arrange them into something comprehensible, which is comprehensively organized ideas. So now I will have 3 different schematics to choose from. So I can learn the schematic for the Acherite Fisher Friend, which is a high-end fishing tool. I can learn the schematic for Tinker Earthen Delivery Drill. Yeah, it's PvP, so screw it. And Tinker Heart-Seeking Health Injector. Tinker module that can provide a burst of immediate healing at the cost of damage over time. I don't like that. That sounds very engineering, where it sounds like I'm gonna take damage when I don't want to. So I'm just gonna go for the accurate fisher friend. And now I've learned it. So that is how you go about learning stuff in engineering. You can also learn through the invent function, but invent is on literally a 24-hour cooldown. Let's see if I can find anything else in the scrap that I have. So I'm going to scour all. Gyrating gear. Ground gear. Warp shock absorber. Whimsical wiring. That would be a no. But at this point, I hope that I have demystified engineering here in The War Within for you, because I thought I understood it, and I definitely did not. So I hope that that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.